Very good morning to all. Today our online classes. Welcome to Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation online class. Myself, Archana Ganesh Mukase. I am from City of Los Angeles Municipal School. Our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre from G North Ward. Our beat officer, Sharad Kurade. Nodal head mistress, Mary Pushpam from Dharavi Kala Killa School. Assistant Nodal HM, Manpreet Kaur Anand from RS Nagar Municipal School. Our CNO, Ratanlal Burungule from Dharavi Kala Killa School. Before starting my lesson, I am asking you questions on your previous knowledge. Yes, students, can you see? Look at the pictures and answer the question. Now see here which picture given. In A number, how many toys are there? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good, correct. These in A number, 7 toys are given. Yes. Now next, how many toys are broken? See here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Broken toys.
Yes.
How many toys are broken? See here, broken.
2 toys broken.
Very good, correct.
7 toys broken.
No, 2 toys broken. See here properly. How many toys are not broken in B number? See.
5.
Very
5.
5. Yes, good. Which operation done to find out this answer? Can you see? Which operation? So today let us revise subtraction. You know now, all of you, subtraction. Yes or no? Yes. Subtraction. The term take away and find the difference implies subtraction. Means the meaning is given here. How many left? How many more? How many less than? The difference of. These are the read one by one. Anyone? Meaning of subtraction means.
Yes. Yes.
Subtraction means to take away. Read one by one. Anyone?
Take away, leave.
Yes.
How
Yes.
many more than?
Yes.
How many more needed?
Yes.
Recommended, difficult.
Difference.
Given away.
Very good.
Given
These
away.
are the means to take away, left, how many more than, how many more needed, remain, different, given away. Good, very good. Can you see here? What is this?
Subtraction, sing,
Sign. Yes.
sign, subtraction.
Very good. Is the symbol used for subtraction? It is called what we call other name?
Other
Minus.
minus.
Yes? Minus. To subtract to minus two numbers, we use this symbol. Yes, for
Symbol, yes.
subtraction. Now next.
10
Yes.
10, 6 minus.
Very good. Term used in subtraction. Which are the terms? First one, minuend. Minuend
Yes.
means the number from which another number is subtracted. Yes. Minuend is given here, number 10. Now, next is subtrahend. Which number is given? 6. Subtrahend means the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. Now see here, 6 number is subtrahend. Next is difference. Difference means the answer we get from subtraction. Which answer is given? 10 minus 6.
10 minus 4.
Yes.
10 minus 6.
Yes. Then 10 is a minuend, 6 is a subtrahend, and 4 is difference. Means
Different.
answer. Now next given subtraction properties. Here is some properties given. First, zero property of subtraction. Second is if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is zero. Third one is given. In subtraction, the order in which the numbers are subtracted is important. Now we
Yes.
will see one by one this property. Property number 1 means read anyone. What is given which property?
Property number 1, zero property of subtraction.
Very good. Which number is given? Read.
88, 0. Answer 88.
Very good. If we subtract a zero number from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Understood? Here is given
Yes.
88 number, then answer. We subtract 0 from that, then answer is also 88. Now next, property number 2. Anyone? Read. Then
If you subtraction a number from itself, the difference is 0.
Very good. Which number given?
45, 45 minus 0.
Very
0.
good. If we subtract the same number, the answer will be 0.
0.
45 number is given. 45 minus 45 means answer is
0.
Yes. Now next property.
Property number 3. In subtraction, the other in which the number are subtraction in important.
Very good.
76 5 minus. मिस ये कैसे करना है?
I will explain.
Yes.
Means if the order of the number is not same, their answer also different. Now see here two numbers is given. 76 minus 55 is
55.
equal to 55 minus 76. See here same numbers is given, but their answers different. Yes. Means these two equations are not equal.
Miss change number.
Yes, same numbers is given, but their order not same.
Oh.
Yes, if the order of the number is not same, their answer also different. See here, these two
Yes.
sides are not equal. Correct? Now next is subtraction of a large number. How to subtract? Steps are given. We will see one by one.
Yes.
In first, step number first is arrange the numbers as per the place value. Can you, all of you know about what is mean by place value?
Place value
Means means steps is one by one. Steps is given how to subtract. Then first is to arrange the number. Yes.
7 5 5 2 1. 7 6 5 5 2 1.
Yes. See here. Place value means the unit, tens, hundred, like that we arrange na.
Yes.
We will see in next. See here table. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones given a table place value. The place, the digits in the place value table. Yes.
Yes.
This is the step number 1. Now, step number 2. Subtract the digit
in each communicator starting from the other place. No, one's place.
Yes.
Sorry.
Then second what? To start from one's place. Subtraction.
Yes.
And the third one is regrouping is required.
Regroup in rejoin.
Require means regroup means is a process of exchanging ones tens into 10 ones. When minuend is smaller than subtrahend. Now we will see in next example. These are these steps. Okay.
Yes,
Read the number which first number is given. Step first means what? To place the digits in the place value table. Which is the first number? Anyone read?
Step 1. Place the digit in the place value table.
Yes. Place value given na?
Tab.
10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Yes. Then read the numbers. Which two numbers is given for subtraction? Minuend and subtrahend. Which is the minuend? First number. You don't know number?
32,
37,
30, 37, 65,
37,654 minus. Next number.
अच्छा मिस read करना है.
Yes, number read.
Oh.
37,000.
37,065, 100.
So sorry, 6,000. Sorry, 37,654. Now next number read. 25,800.
867.
Yes, correct. All these numbers arranged na according to their place value. Yes. See here. 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10. Now step number 2.
Yes.
Yes, read. Step number 2. Subtract the ones. 7 is greater than 4. Use regrouping concept. Here, what done? Start from right side, na? 4 minus 7. Can you subtract the 4 from 7? 7 is greater than 4, na? Then we borrow. 7 is a greater number, na? So borrow 1 from 5. Then it becomes 14, na? 14 minus 7. Answer is 14 minus 7. Yes, correct. Understood step number 2. Now step number 3. Subtract the tens. Means 6 is greater than 4, na? Use a regrouping concept. Can we subtract the 5 from 6? Then borrow 1. Yes, correct. Then borrow 1.
1.
Yes, then it becomes 14. 14 minus 6.
8.
Understood step 3. Step 4.
7.
In next step, can we subtract 5 from 8? 8 is greater than
2.
Yes, then we borrow 1, then 15 minus 8.
7.
Yes. 6 minus 5.
1.
Now in last, what is our answer? 37,000 minus 854.
11,707.
87. Correct. Very good. All of you understood now these 6 steps, how to subtract the number, how to borrow. Now see here another example is given. Yes. 8,163 minus 3,678. The answer will be, yes, read.
4,485.
Yes, correct. 4,485. Understood how to subtract these two numbers?
Yes.
properties and all. Yes, students.
Yes, miss.
Now see here in evaluation some examples given. Now we will subtract one by one. Yes, 5,78,101. This is digit number minus 1,94,129. Can you see?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Do this
Yes,
subtraction. Can we
Yes,
subtract
miss.
1 from 9? 9 is greater
No.
than no? Yes.
Yes.
Then we borrow.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
मिस जीरो से भी नहीं होएगा तो हम लोग
Very
वन
good.
से लेंगे.
Very good.
Yes.
Then borrow 1. This one becomes 11. Na? 11 minus 9.
11 minus
Solve
9
it. Write their answer. Write your answer, anyone.
Teacher 2. 2, miss.
Correct. Very good. 2.
2.
Then here. Next.
Miss 7. Miss
7.
only 7.
Now next. You tell me, I will write answer. Okay.
Yes.
Now next. What will be answer? Can we subtract?
Teacher. Miss 9.
Very good. 9. Now next, this 8 becomes 7. No? The 7 minus 3.
Teacher. 3.
Yes, correct. 3. Now next.
4.
No.
8. 8, teacher.
Now this 5 becomes 4. No? The 4 minus 1.
3.
Then our answer is
300. 3,33,972.
very good. Yes, correct. This is our answer. All of you understood this subtraction. Now next
Yes.
example, I will write 9 lakh 9,259. Can you see the number, na? Subtract
Yes.
2,55,000
2,55,000.
629.
629.
Then do the subtraction.
Miss 9
Start
में से 9
from-
गया तो 0.
Yes, very good. Next number.
Miss 5 से 2 गया तो 3.
Very good.
Miss
Next
2 में
six.
से 2.
6.
2 में से 6
Can we
नहीं
subtract?
आएगा तो
No, 6 is
9
greater.
से बोथ ऑफ लेंगे.
Yes, very good. Then it becomes 12 minus 6.
6.
Very good. Now next it become 8, na? 8.
3. 8 minus 5 3.
Yes, correct. 3.
0 में से 5
Next.
नहीं जाएगा. 4. 0 में से 5 नहीं जाएगा तो हम लोग 9 से एक बोथ ऑफ लेंगे. तो ये 10 minus 5 5.
Yes, correct. 5. In our next step.
Miss 6.
Very good.
6.
Correct. Then 6. Sorry. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then our answer read. Which answer we got?
6,53,630.
Very good. Correct. 7,54,629. Subtract 2,98,374. Yes. Now do the
174.
subtraction. Can we subtract 9 from 4?
5.
Yes. Next,
5.
2 carry over.
greater than 2, na? Then what? Next step, what will we do? Borrow 1, na?
5, teacher.
Yes.
Correct.
Miss 5.
In next,
2.
3.
this 6 become 5, na?
2.
5 minus 3 is 2. Yes. Next,
6. Teacher,
correct.
6.
6.
Now, in
5.
next number, you this 14 minus
5.
9 5. Yes. Then
Teacher, 5.
7 minus 6 minus 2 is this
5, teacher.
7 becomes 6, na? This
4.
7 becomes, yes. This 7 becomes 6. Then 6 minus 2 is correct.
4.
Then read the answer.
4,56,255.
Yes.
4
Correct.
lakh 4,56,600,000 to 255.
Yes. Now we will move toward next fourth subtraction. 4,66,734.
734.
Subtract 3,72,741.
741.
Yes. Now we will subtract.
Teacher, 3.
Start subtraction from right side. Then 4 minus 1. Yes.
3.
In next, can we subtract 3 from 4? 4 is greater than.
Miss
Then
6.
carry 1.
9.
Carry
Teacher,
1 means
9.
it becomes 13.
9.
13 minus 4 is
Teacher, 9.
in our next step. 7 becomes 6. Yes. 6 minus. Then
9,
borrow.
teacher.
Yes. Borrow 1. 16 minus 7 is 9. Next. This 6 becomes
3.
5.
5.
Then 5 minus 3 is
3. 5 minus 2, 3.
yes. Next.
Teacher, 16. 9, teacher.
Yes. Then this 0, na?
1.
No.
0.
Yes. 0. Then our answer
93,993.
yes. Correct. Good. 7,42,837.
42,000.
Subtract 2,85,841.
841.
Yes. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 1.
6.
Correct.
6.
Next. 4 is greater than 3. Then
9.
borrow
9.
1. It becomes 13. Yes. 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Next. This 8
0.
becomes 7. No. This 8 becomes 7.
10.
Na?
Teacher, 10. 0, 1 carry.
Yes. 1 carry. Then 17 minus 8.
Teacher, 10.
No. 17 minus 8.
Teacher 9.
Correct. Next. Then
7.
here borrow
Teacher 7.
1. Then 12 minus 5.
Teacher 7.
Mhm.
7 teacher.
Yes. Next.
6 teacher. Teacher 6.
14 minus 8.
Teacher 6.
Yes. Next.
Teacher 5. Hey. Sorry teacher. 4.
6 minus 6. No. 6 minus.
4.
Yes.
Teacher 4.
Our answer.
4,67,996.
4,56,139.
139.
Subtract means minus 3,41,689. Yes. Then do the subtraction from right side. Then the number is given 9 minus 9.
0.
Yes. Next, greater than 3, then
5.
borrow 1. It becomes 13 minus 8.
Teacher 5.
Yes. Then this 1 becomes 0. Then carry 1. 10 minus 6.
Teacher 4.
Yes. Then this 6
Teacher
becomes
4.
5. 5 minus 4 is
4.
sorry. 5 minus 1 is 4. Yes.
1. Teacher 1.
Yes. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next
1.
number 4 minus
Teacher 1.
3 means 1. Correct. Yes. Then our answer.
1,14,450.
Very good. 6,75,196. Subtract 3,22,889. Can we subtract 6 from 9? 9 is greater, na? Borrow 1. It becomes 16 minus 9. Yes. 16 minus 9.
7 miss.
Yes. Next, this becomes 8. 8 minus 8. 9 becomes
0.
8. Correct. Then 8 is greater than 1. Then borrow 1. 11 minus 8. Yes. 11 minus 8.
3.
Yes. Next
2.
comes 4.
3.
Then 4 minus. Yes. Next 7 minus 2.
5.
Yes. Next number 6 minus 3.
3.
Yes. Answer
3. 330.
no. Read the answer properly. What is the answer comes?
35 lakh.
No. 3 lakh. 3 lakh
3 lakh
52
62
thousand
52,000
hundred.
7.
Yes. 300. 3 lakh 52,307. Right. Yes. Now next is our homework. This is a homework. Can you see everyone? This homework. Yes, take a screenshot. Can you see?
Okay, teacher.
And solve these all the examples given. for homework? Yes. Done? Yes.
Okay, miss.
Done? Screenshot.
Okay, miss.
Everyone solve. These all given examples. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
Today's our subtraction. First meaning of subtraction. Yes. Subtraction sign. Terms used in subtraction. Properties of subtraction. 3 properties. How to subtract the large number. Steps given. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Then in this way, you have to do your homework, everyone. Yes.
Okay, teacher.
Now we
Okay.
will stop here. Thank you, students.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.